where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand.
Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm going to make a Valentine's Day card. And I am using things from my stash. And y'all, the stuff I have in my stash, since I'm redoing my room and reorganizing and relabeling everything, is amazeballs. So, I have my card here. And my card is, and I would try to put all this in my blog that is down below. Whoops, wrong way. This is 5 by 5 and 7/16. Okay, so whoops. Okay, now I am going to use a heart doily to put on here. Okay. Now, this is my way of trying to figure out new ways to make a Valentine's Day card. So, okay, so the doily is 5.5 or 5 and 7/16 by 6. Okay, I know some of you will ask, so that's why I'm doing it. And my photo here is 5 3/8. No, whoops. Let me see here. It doesn't usually take me this long. Usually I have everything done already. So it's 3 3/8 by, I'm assuming 3 3/8. So let's do this again. By 3.5. Okay. Like I said, all the measurements, everything is going to be in my blog. Okay. So first we're going to do is we're going to, and I also have this Valentine's Day trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue my heart on. And I want to try to get it as even as I can. I'm going to just hold it and put my glue on. Now you don't have to glue everywhere, just the major pieces. Let me do it this way, because I'm getting frustrated with trying to hold it. Okay, let me see. Hold it here and get it in there. as straight as I can get it. And there we go. Now all the extra that is hanging over will be trimmed off. Okay. So I'm going to keep going. Now this will make it easier. Now I'm just going to place my glue on here. Make it easier on myself. You know what I mean? Place glue here. Makes it easier if you place it directly on the item. Okay? So, my card is going to open like so. So now I'm going to take my skeezers. I'm just going to trim off the excess from the doily. And bring my little bin over here. And we have that all trimmed up. Okay. And I still see some trimming that needs to be done here. A little shave and a haircut, 2 bits, and that'll do it. And we still needed some to be put down. So now I'm going to take my corner rounder and round off my corners, y'all. Because it'll give it a little better of a picture. Okay, more like a frame type thing. And try to get your glue all the way to the edges if you can. Alright? Alright. Let's get this in there. Getting that in there. Okay. Now. Oh. That is crooked. It's going to drive me insane. Let's see if I have time to lift it. And I do. Now do I have to put glue again? Maybe. Okay, that's straight. That's better. I go by how straight the heart looks, so that's good enough for me. Now what I'm going to do is take my heart trim and not frame the whole thing, but I'm going to go with 3 hearts down at the bottom. So I'm going to put my glue on here, here, and here. Now I'm using art glitter glue, so I can use it on almost anything. And just put it down here, like so. Hold it down for a sec. And let me put a little on the bottom here. And hold that in. And I'm going to take this one. I'm going to put it on the inside. Well, that's not going to hold it. So we're going to take a clip while we're working on the inside. Take a clip and do that. So we're going to take this one. We're not going around the corners on this one. And we're going to just put our glue. Okay. And as best we can, center it. Well, my card is not straight for one. Let me put this on here so it'll stay straight. And there we go. Now, you can write your sentiment up here, down here, or you can print one from your computer. Now, what I want to do, now this design is mine, okay? This is my design. Now what I'm going to do is make my Happy Valentine's Day to go across the top. So, now, I have that. Now you see I have all of these. I can make more cards if I need to, okay? But I don't need to. And I'm going to just take this. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, since we have these, let's see something here. Yes, I'll take one of these. I'm going to trim it out. See, this just popped into my head. This is what I mean. You can't always be prepared, y'all. Not always. Not always. And I'm going to take this and put it across where the butterflies are. So this piece and this piece will stay. And this is going to be my sentiment. Okay? And again, I'm using things from my stash. This is my designs. I'm doing them the way I want them to be done. Now I want that butterfly there. So I'm going to go just under the butterfly there. And then just above the butterfly on this side. And we got our sentiment, y'all. Uh-oh. I seem to have lost my little bucket. Oh, well. Oh, there it is. So now, we have our sentiment for the top. Okay? But I want to round the corners on that. Because they look kind of to me. So now we're going to glue this on. Now you can use double-sided tape, you can use pop dots, you can use glue, you can use anything you want. But this is what I want. And there we go. Here's your greeting card for Valentine's Day. Let's move this out. And look, it opens up. And you can put your sentiment, your whatever you want to say all the way around the heart. Or you can get a piece of paper, write what you want, okay? Slip it inside the card and close the card so that way whoever you give this card to can give it to someone else next year or next time. You know what I mean? So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, stay safe, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. Remember, you are enough. And bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Bye.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand. Our artistry is wild.